Namaste student. I am Dr. Shaila Bhagwan Rao Sarang, Associate Professor, Government College of Education, Nanded. Now we are going to see the MCQ of Pedagogy of School Subject English Method. Please subscribe, like, comment and share my video. Now we start English Method MCQ. First question is, what is the meaning of CCE? Options are A. Redundancy of the board examination. B. End of a term or a session examination. C. Continuous and comprehensive evaluation. D. None of the above. Now answer is continuous and comprehensive evaluation. Next question, assessment. Option A should be a part of the teaching learning process. B should be done only in terms of marks. C should be based on objective type written task. D should be undertaken as a separate activity. Now answer is assessment should be a part of the teaching learning process. Next question, which of the following is not an appropriate tool for formative assessment? Option A, tutorials. B, assignments. C, quiz and games. D, annual exam. Now answer is annual exam. Next question, in learning evaluation is essential for option A, grades. B, marks. C, motivation. D, examination. Now answer is motivation. Now next question, dash dash tests are prepared to evaluate the achievement in reading comprehension. Now options are A, oral test. B, written test. C, diagnostic test. D, remedial test. Now answer is oral test. Oral tests are prepared to evaluate the achievement in reading comprehension. Now next question, dash dash activities are those activities which facilitates and enrich the curricular activities. Now options are A, extracurricular. B, curricular. C, social. D, culture. Now answer is extracurricular activities are those activities which facilitates and enrich the curricular activities. Now next question, extracurricular activities helps the students. Option A, to build all round personality. B, to build her self-confidence. C, to develop language skill. D, all of the above. Now extracurricular activities helps the students, all of the above. Next question, which of the following is not type of extracurricular activities? There is some types of extracurricular activities like class magazine, collection of proverbs, idioms and poems. C, cricket. D, language games and debates. Now type of extracurricular activities are class magazines, collection of proverbs, idioms and poems, language games and debates. Cricket is not an extracurricular activities related to language. Now the answer is cricket. Now next question, dash dash will improve the thinking and writing power of the students. Option A, language games. B, magazine. C. Spelling games. D. Recitations. Now answer is magazine. Magazine will improve the thinking and writing power of the students. Now next question. Dash dash helps the students to take interest in language learning. Option A. Debate. B. Recitation. C. Drill. D. None of the above. Answer is recitation. Next question. Which of the following is not characteristics of content cum methodology? Which is not? Now options are A. It implies meaningful integration of content knowledge and teaching. B. It implies a deeper understanding of the concept taught at school level. C. It means additional and enriched knowledge independently provided to teacher. D. None of the above. Now answer is it means additional and enriched knowledge independently provided to teachers. Is not the characteristics of content cum methodology. Other two are the characteristics of content cum methodology. Now next questions. Content cum methodology provides information about the process and methods for option A. Content enrichment. B. Knowledge enrichment. C. Information enrichment. D. None of the above. Now answer is content enrichment. Next question. Content cum methodology includes option A. Deeper understanding of subject knowledge selected for teaching. B. Meaningful integration of the subject knowledge with teaching. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Now answer is both A and B. Which of the following is not facilitate content cum methodology? Option A. Self-evaluation of teacher, co-curricular activities, pupil evaluation. D. Better understanding of teaching and learning process. Now answer is co-curricular activities. Now next question. No one make you feel inferior without your consent. This is the example. No one make you feel inferior without your consent is the example of figure of speech. Now figure of speech in Marathi alankar. Now options. First option A. Epigram, metonymy, hyperbole. D. Simile. Now answer is epigram. Next question. Dash dash is a comparison between two unlike things using the words like or as. Now figure of speech कोणता आहे याच्यातला? ऑप्शन ए ऑक्सिमोरॉन, simile, C. personification and D. pun. Now answer is simile. Alteration means option A. To be a tongue twister. B. Repeated consonants in a sentence. C. A repetitions of speech sound in sequence of words. D. None of the above. Now answer is a repetition of speech sound in sequence of words. Seven sisters slept soundly on the sand is the example of dash dash figure of speech. A. Simile. B. Alterations. C. Hyperbole. D. Metaphor. Now answer is alteration. Every day, every night, everywhere possible, I want to be successful in these fields is the example of dash dash figure of speech. Now, options are epanphora, oxymoron, simile, hyperbole. Now answer is epanphora. Thank you my dear students. Now please subscribe my YouTube channel, like, comment and share this video. Now thank you so much.